Hey, what's up, my Valentinines? It's your girl, Selena Valentina. Today I am here in Central Park, New York, ready to, can I, help you?
Yes, you can. You're under arrest.
What? Why?
You know why.
No? Do you?
You've committed so many crimes, too many to count off the top of my head. You're coming with me.
No, wait! I have a concert in 1 hour.
Wait, what?
Do you know who I am?
Is this you?
No. It's a picture of a puppy.
Oops, wrong photo. Is this you?
Are you stupid? That is totally not me.
Well, then who are you?
OMG! I cannot believe you just asked that. Whatever. I am Selena Valentina. I have 1.2 followers on Instagram and 7 platinum records. And a concert in 1 hour!
Oh, my apologies, Serena Papalina.
Selena Valentina!
Never fear, I have the key.
Well,
Okay, I have good news and bad news.
spit it out.
Okay, the bad news is I don't have the keys to the handcuffs.
And the good news?
I made a friend.
Well, what is your name?
It's classified.
Well, Detective Classified, this is what's gonna happen. You are going to uncuff these handcuffs and get me onto my stage in 50 minutes. And if you don't, well, I'm gonna get my legal team to take everything you have, like your trench coat and your stupid little friend.
My friend?
And your trench coat!
My trench coat! Don't worry, I have a plan.
So, what are you doing later? The concert, you...
Ow, okay.
Oh, man, OMG, the concert starts in 20 minutes, and I'm still stuck to you.
Don't worry, I'm sure there's something we haven't thought of.
Okay, the concert is in 20 minutes, and I'm still stuck to this so-called detective that can't even solve the case of his own stinky breath.
Don't worry, I have some mint gum for that problemo.
What is it?
Okay, you're gonna laugh. I had the key this entire time.
Uncuff.
What's the magic word?
Now!
Oh, okay. So, we friends now?
Hey, what's up, my Valentines? Sorry, I'm gonna be running a little bit late to this concert. I got stuck with this moron detective.
Dedicate a song!
I'll dedicate these fists to your face. So, yeah. Sorry, guys.